What's going on YouTube? Nassif here from Click, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the BlackBerry Passport in 2018. Now I know guys, this device is like God knows how many years old, but I got it on Amazon a little while ago. I got actually on the warehouse deals. It was like 250 bucks, all in, taxes in, and then the box showed up and it was all scuffed up like this. So I complained to Amazon and they gave me money back. So really I got this device for 180 bucks. So shout out to Amazon for their awesome customer service, I guess, and I guess their lack of care with their delivery, because the delivery driver just kind of chucked it at my door, but it is what it is. So yeah guys, this is the box. Nothing really too crazy going on here. Typical BlackBerry. I've obviously already been in the box, but I'll show you guys the unboxing experience anyway. We have all the usual English blah 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 languages on the back, kind of detailing what you got here. Obviously, it's BlackBerry, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 801, I believe, and a slim port USB, just regular micro USB port. On the side here, we just have barcode, what would be information, IMEI, blah, 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 but it's all covered by the sticker. And on this side, just the BlackBerry logo, BlackBerry Passport, and BlackBerry up at the top here. So again, nothing too crazy. Unboxing experience, guys, let's get into it. Obviously, I already mentioned I've already been in the box. So obviously the phone's presented here. Obviously I've had the phone. Now the only catch with this one that I got was I've got the QWERTY Z keyboard, not the QWERTY keyboard. A little bit annoying at first, hard to get used to, but I ended up finding in the settings that you can just reverse the Y and the Z key. So now when I press Z on the keyboard, it actually activates Y on the system, and vice versa for the Y key at the bottom here. But again, nothing too crazy. So we pop the phone out, you get the phone. Obviously, again, I've already been in the phone. Just a disclaimer, this is not a brand new unboxing. It wouldn't be. The phone is like 3 years old. So place the phone there. You get a bunch of BlackBerry, just a book with, I guess, the BlackBerry story and the Passport, I guess, heritage. I have no idea. Like I have no clue, but it's just kind of a neat booklet, nice thick cardboard, I guess, and then the QR code there. You can scan it if you want. Place that aside. So underneath the little cover here, what do we have inside? I don't think there's anything in this. No, just a plastic tray. Is that plastic? No, it's a cardboard tray. So inside you have all your accessories. Now BlackBerries usually load up their stuff. So you have, which obviously I don't open because I don't need them. We have the slim port USB charging brick, which sits in there. We have obviously a micro USB cable to charge your phone. We have your documentation here as indicated there, and then you have these awesome in-ear buds that I also haven't used because I don't need them, but we'll open them up here anyway on camera. But yeah, that's the buds there. They do have the little angel hook things, and I think there's extra tips inside here that you can take out and adjust and whatnot depending on your ear size and whatever is comfortable for you. But overall guys, for a BlackBerry, I mean, keep in mind this is when BlackBerry was still pushing their BB10 OS. This is an awesome, oh there goes the wire. This is an awesome unboxing experience. Just look at the way it's organized, very Razer phone-esque, I think. If I can remember correctly, I think that's the right phone, where everything's laid out really nicely like this. You have all your stuff here, so it's an awesome unboxing experience for sure. So we'll package all of that back up and we'll take a quick look around the phone. I'll give you guys my just, if it were to be a new unboxing, my first impressions of the phone. So we have the phone here. First impression, even when I unboxed it, first thing, this phone, guys, is wide as stuff. Like, this thing is so wide. I have the BlackBerry Priv here, and as you guys can see, if I line it up on the side, you have like almost an extra inch of width on there. And then I also have the BlackBerry Key 1, which I almost dropped there, which is like almost an inch and a half of extra width, which is just nuts. It does take a lot getting used to for sure, but I guess as a business phone or whatever, it actually is pretty decent for two-handed use. Definitely not a one-handed use phone. Typing on this keyboard is pretty decent. It could have gone with an extra, like a row here with numbers, but I'll get into that in the review. On the back, we have like this matte rubbery plastic finish. We have a removable top, which I'm not going to take off. It just has your micro SIM and your nano, or micro SD and your nano SIM slots. We have your camera on the back with the flash. You have your volume up and down, your convenience key, which is standard with BlackBerry phones. Along the bottom, we have dual stereo speakers. Now, guys, dual stereo speakers on a BlackBerry in 2015 is awesome. And I gotta tell you, these speakers sound great, but I'll get into that again in the full review. We have the slim port USB, I think there's a microphone there. And along the side we have nothing. We have these, I believe these are stainless steel borders, which make the phone feel like a brick. Like if I were to throw this at the wall, it would put a hole in the wall and the phone would just keep going. It's like an unstoppable force. Along the top we have the power button, which could have gone somewhere down here on the right, because getting all the way up there to the top is a stretch even for someone like me with relatively big hands. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the impressions and unboxing of the BlackBerry Passport. It is a massive phone, guys, so this probably isn't for everyone. It is running BB10 OS, so it's definitely not for everyone. It is a dying software, but again, I'll get into that in my review. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing and I guess first impressions of the BlackBerry Passport in 2018. If you guys liked the video, drop a like. If you like the content on the channel, feel free to drop a subscription, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.